kids!
Hello, ma'am!
Today we will learn has and have. Has and have show possession pro. Listen carefully. I say, I have a book.
I have a book.
We use have with I, you, we, they. Now that we understand the basics, let's look at an example together.
I have a bag. You have a pencil. We have books. I have. You have. We have.
We use has with he, she, it. Example.
He has a ball. She has a doll. It has a tail. He has, she has, it has.
Let's look at the board. We need to fill in the blank here. She? A book. What do you think the answer is?
Has.
Great job, kids!
Thank you, ma'am. Keep practicing has and have.
Had fun? Give a like and subscribe to your new friends at Kid Buddies.